In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a DocuSign account. Whether you're a professional needing to sign documents or just someone looking to make the transition to electronic signatures, setting up a DocuSign account is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. We'll start by heading over to the DocuSign website. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to .docusign.com. Once you're there, you'll see various options on the home page, but the next step is to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find the Login button. Give that a click. Don't worry, you're not logging in just yet. We're actually going to sign up for a new account. After clicking Login, you'll be taken to a screen that offers the option to sign up for free, usually located below the login fields. Give that button a click and you'll be on your way to creating a new account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Be sure to use an email that you have access to, as you'll need it for verification purposes later on. Once you've typed in your email, click the Get Started button. This will initiate the sign-up process. After that, you'll be asked for some basic information, including your first name, last name, and phone number. It's essential to ensure this information is accurate, as it helps in both verifying your account and keeping your account secure. Once you've entered these details, continue by clicking on the Next button. Now, DocuSign will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Head over to your email inbox and look for an email from DocuSign. This should arrive almost instantly. The email will contain a verification code which you need to enter on the DocuSign site to verify your identity. Simply type in the code in the provided field and proceed. A few tips to keep in mind as you go through these steps. First, make sure your email and phone number are both correct to avoid verification issues. Keep your login credentials secure and create a strong password when prompted to ensure that your account remains safe from unauthorized access. Following these steps will set up your DocuSign account, allowing you to sign documents electronically with ease. Once your account is verified and you're all set up, you can start exploring DocuSign's features, like uploading documents for signing or initiating signing requests. Thanks for joining me today on this walkthrough of creating a DocuSign account. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy signing!